Welcome to Dublin. Hi, I'm Stu, the older backpacker, and now in the capital of Ireland. I'm going to be here for a couple of days, and Dublin is on the east coast of Ireland, and I'm going to be here showing you the sights of the city. So behind me is Christ Church Cathedral, which is the oldest cathedral in Dublin. Obviously, as a tourist, we're going to have a look inside. Well, we would have gone in if we didn't have to pay £10. So instead, we're just going to look at it from the outside. So we've just been across over to the cathedral, and because we're in Dublin, we're now going to go to the pub. So this is Dublin Castle, and it's quite impressive. So this was built in the 13th century on an old Viking settlement. Another thing about Dublin is the amount of buskers. Oh, and that guy's just stopped.
The storm, we reach the shore, give it all.
So this is Grafton Street, which is the main thoroughfare of all the shops in the centre of Dublin. Just off Grafton Street is this place, which is St. Stephen's Green, and so much history is in this place, and as you walk in the park you come through this arch, but everywhere else around the park there's just little statues giving you a lot of information about the history of Dublin and Ireland. So you've got the former Houses of Parliament of Ireland here, and going round you've got Trinity College, one of the famous universities of Ireland. And this is the hostel that we've been staying in, and we'll be staying for the next couple of days, Jacob's Inn. And if you go through their website, it's probably one of the cheapest in Dublin. It's coming to the end of the first full day in Dublin. So if you like this video, you know you got to press like. If you want to subscribe and see how day 2 gets on, press subscribe. But until tomorrow, bye bye.